Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install MySQL Server and Workbench latest version on Windows 10. And guys, this method will work on Windows 11 and Windows 7. Open any web browser and type here MySQL Workbench, this one. So click on it and click on this first official link. Now here click on downloads, scroll down and click on this MySQL JPL downloads. So click on this link and here click on this MySQL installer for Windows. So select this one. Now here this is the latest version 8.0.32 and select here your Microsoft Windows and you can download MSI installer for 32-bit. So just click here. It's 2.54 MB. So let's download it. Click on download. Now here you can create your free account and also you can select here no thanks, just start my download. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading process will be complete. Now once this complete, just double click on this setup file. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now here select this custom, then click on next. Now click on this plus icon MySQL servers again and select here, this is the latest one 8.0.32 and click on this arrow. Now scroll down and click on applications and here click on MySQL Workbench and select this first one, it's latest. Then click on this arrow and again scroll down, click on this MySQL shell and select this latest one, then click here. Now click on next and click on execute. Now wait for a few minutes till this downloading process will be complete. Now once this complete, just click on next. Again click on next. Now here guys, leave as default, you don't need to make any changes. Just remember this is the port 3306. Then here click on next and create a strong password. Then here click on next and make sure this is the user and also you can use another user. Then click on next and next and execute. Wait for a few seconds. Now here click on finish. then next, and again click on finish. So this way guys, you can download and install MySQL Server on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.